back here under Pierre. And oh my God, it's amazing what happens when you order a fresh diff gasket. It actually fits in the groove it's supposed to because it's not all warped to crap like our other one was. This thing is all dried out, old. You know, new old stock does not mean anything. So now we can put our cover back. All right, so we have most of our brake materials and parts. We have our adjusters, we have our hardware kit. I'm waiting for our cables to show up. We do have our shoes, we do have our wheel cylinders. So I'm gonna start on just disassembling and getting this ready. I'm gonna see if we can get these turned or if they're too far gone. So we can look into that as well.